I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the default web browser in Windows 11. Step 1. Navigate to your Windows home screen and then press both the Windows and I buttons at the same time. Your Windows settings screen opens. Step 2. Click Apps in the menu on the left side of this screen. The Apps section is shown on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Click Default Apps in this menu. A list of apps and default app options are displayed. Step 4. Navigate to the browser in this list that you want to be your default web browser in Windows 11 going forward, and then click that browser. In this example, I'll click Google Chrome. Options are shown for that web browser. Step 5. Find the option at the top of the screen asking if you want to make this your default web browser. Click Set Default associated with that option. This will be your default browser in Windows 11 going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.